Trilloracleman. R.I.P. to the pimp. Hold up. I was raised by wolves. I ain't never trust shit. Came up in the jungle where the real don't sleep. Go grill when I talk, slab crawling down deep. Better watch your step. Boy, this game could steal. Look, I was born in the bottom where the killers reside, where the laws hit the block and them hustlers divide. Wood wheel gripper, sipping syrup, stay live. Pocket full of dirty money, fiends scratching for a high. Ain't no handout, man. We was hungry for the bread. Kept the pistol by the mattress, demons dancing by the bed. We were playing with the sheep, I was hunting with the pack. Southside, oh, put my city on my back. I was raised by wolves. I ain't never trust shit. Came up in the jungle where the real don't sleep. Ooh, real when I talk, slab crawling down deep. Better watch your step. Boy, this game could steal. Man, I came from the mud where the snakes still hiss, where the strong stand tall and the weak get missed. Screens falling in the slab, trunk shaking the ground. Keep a K by the door, haters love the coon. Better know who you with, better watch what you claim. Every fraud get exposed, every snitch get flamed. It's a jungle, young nigga, it's the code that we keep. Either hustle or you die, ain't no food for the weed. Any money over bitches, loyalty over fame. Respect over checks, put some weight on my name. Ain't no love in the streets, just pain in the grind. I was raised in the dark with a wolf pack mind. I was reared by wolves. I ain't never trust shit. Came up in the jungle where the real don't sleep. Cool grill when I talk, slab crawling down. You better watch your step. Boy, this game could steal. R.I.P. to the pimp. Trilloracle's for life.